Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to archive emails in Outlook Office 365. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to do this on the web version and on the client as well. So with the first one, I'm over at outlook.live.com. Now I'm inside my emails. So from here, to go ahead and click on the ones you like to archive. So just hover over, you can see there's a little checkbox. I want to archive that one and that one. You can do singularly or do as many as you like. Now I have highlighted these or clicked onto them. Then from here we want to go ahead and click on the archive button. So it says move this message to your archive folder. Now they're going to be moved from your inbox to archive. Now if we go ahead and click on archive, you're going to see them appear here. Now if you want to go ahead and unarchive them, just go ahead and click onto it and we can go ahead and drag it back to our inbox like so. Or we can go grab it and we can go ahead and drag it to archive. So there's a few different ways how to do this. Now what I'm going to do is open up my client, so Outlook client, or the application on my PC. Now it's going to be basically the same but a little bit different. So from here we go ahead and just go ahead and find that one you like to archive, go ahead and click onto it, click archive, or we can drag it to the archive folder directly like that. If you want to unarchive it, just send it to your inbox or wherever it was previously set up.